Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. So here you've got two fish tanks. One follows the sine of x graph. So your sine of x graph looks like this. So this is 0. This point here is pi. That's 0 to pi. This here is one hump of the sine graph. This here is one hump of the sine graph. And then the other fish tank it follows this. So from -1 to 1. So this graph here looks like this. Okay, so this is -1 and this here is 1. The question is, when the water settles, which fish tank will have a higher water level? Okay, so press pause and have a go. Okay, so we've done this in the previous video, and it turns out that the average height will be 2 over pi. We've done this in the previous video. So now let's just look at this one here. So the usual method would be for us to work out the area underneath the graph. So integrate this. So the average height is given by this formula. The average height is given by this formula. So it's really you working out the area underneath the graph. Once you've got the area underneath the graph, then divide it by the width. Okay, so from here, that would then take you to here. Okay, so if you look back at the original diagram, so this is your A here, and this is your B here. So you need to get B. Take away A. So the whole width here is actually 2. Okay, it's actually 2. So and we need to integrate this. So going back down here. So integrate this. That will then give you this. Well, anyway, hang on. Let's start again. The average height is given by this. Then that will then take you to this. Integrate it. It will then take you to here. Okay. So now it's just a matter of following the usual procedure. So it's this. Take away this. So that's this bit here. And then it's blah blah blah. That will then take you to here. So the average height is given by this. So going back to the diagram, in the previous video, the average height here was 2 over pi, and then now this one here, the average height for this would be this 2 over 3. So the average height here would be 2 over 3. Okay, and then jump to your calculator. This equates to this. This equates to this. So this one here, the water level for this one here is slightly higher than this one here. Okay.